In this video, we are going to find the derivative of the function ln of arccos of 2x. So there's a lot going on here, and we can see that there's a lot of functions in functions. So what we're going to want to use here is the chain rule. So the chain rule tells us that if I want to take the derivative of f of g of x, all I have to do is find f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So what we have going on in our case is kind of a mega version of the chain rule. What we want to do in our example is find d dx of x f of g of h of x. So how do we do that? First we find the derivative of f prime, or we take f prime and keep everything on the inside the same. So g of h of x. Then we multiply by the derivative of g of h of x. And then we also have to multiply by the derivative of the inside of that, which is h prime of x. And we're done. So for our particular example, ln is f of x, our cosine is g of x, and 2x is h of x. So let's try to take this derivative. So the derivative of the natural log is 1 over x, but in this case it's 1 over everything that's inside of ln. So that's arc cos of 2x. Now we have to multiply by the inside. So now we want to take the derivative of arc cosine of 2x. So the derivative of arc cosine is minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x, but now we have to be careful because here we actually have 2x inside of arc cosine. So this is minus 2x squared, and now we have to take the derivative of h of x. H of x is 2x, so the derivative of that is just 2. So now if we simplify all this, we get minus 2 all over arc cosine of 2x times the square root of 1 minus 2x squared. So that's minus 4x squared. And that's the derivative. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to email them to ashmath1729@gmail.com, and I will try to answer your questions.